In this video, I'll detail how to turn on high protection in iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone and you discover that the screen brightness is too much for your high consumption, then you can easily turn on your iPhone high protection to help you protect your eyes while using your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on eye protection on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on display and brightness. Then once you selected that, scroll down a bit, you should see what is called the night shift. Then go ahead and click on that. Now if you want to turn on night shift straight away, just come here and click on manually enable until tomorrow, and this is going to turn on night shift straight away on your iPhone instantly until tomorrow. However, if you want to always enable night shift or high protection on your iPhone, just click on schedule, then here from, then select sunset to sunrise. Now the moment you select sunset to sunrise, this is going to automatically turn on the high protection on your iPhone when the sun is set, and then disable it when the sun is rise. Now you can also customize it. Click on customize and set when you want the eye protection to turn on your iPhone by clicking on turn on. Here select when is it. Let's say you want it to turn on at 8 p.m. and you want it to turn off at 8 a.m. every day. Then after that, just hit the power button, and that is it. You should see the high protection turned on, and here you can adjust the color temperature, maybe more warm, or you want to adjust it to less warm. So if I adjust to more warm, this is what you're going to see when the high protection is enabled on your iPhone. And if it's adjusted to less warm, this is what you're going to see when the high protection is enabled on your iPhone. So that is basically how you can easily turn on high protection in iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.